Hi everyone, welcome back to CIC Talks. And as you can see today, I have brought you another cue card video. And the cue card basically relates to describe a creative person whose work you admire. And in this cue card, you will be asked to speak about an artistic person whose creativity has inspired you. And what you need to say is first is who he or she is, how do you know him or her, what creative things he or she has done, and explain why you think he or she is creative. And in this cue card, basically, we are going to represent Mr. Walter Elias Disney as an inspirational human being. But before we start this video, I request you to please watch this video till the end. And if you like our content, please hit the like and subscribe button. And also note that there is high band vocabulary that I have tried to use in this answer. And if you don't understand anything or if you have any doubts or queries to ask, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the introduction. I have always believed that creativity is at the core of being human. Creativity makes the world a better, more meaningful, more friendly place. When you think creatively, you are opening your heart and mind and you are relating to people as humans and who he or she is. Like I said, we are going to talk about Mr. Disney. So today I would take this opportunity to talk about Mr. Walter Elias Disney, also known as Walt Disney, who I admire for his mind-bending creativity. He was an American entrepreneur, creator, writer, voice actor, and a film producer. In fact, Mr. Walter Disney was a pioneer of the American animation industry, as he introduced several developments in the production of cartoons. So, how do you know him or her? Actually, I watched his creative cartoon series during childhood, and that's how I came to know about him. In fact, as a child, I remember being shocked to learn that Walter Disney was a person. To me, Disney was a mysterious entity symbolized by the magical castle that appeared at the start of every film, and a cross between fairyland and a faceless corporation. A bit like Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, we could say. So, what creative things he or she has done? Mr. Disney's creativity is world renowned. He was the most creative and innovative person in the entertainment industry in the 20th century. His movies and animations had a huge impact on family life and the movie and the entertainment industry. He also created shows for television and in fact opened Disneyland, which were both huge successes. And moreover, how could we forget Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck? Both were his stunning creations. So explain why you think he or she is creative. I think he is creative because he was very successful at turning fantasies into reality. His success is undisputed. And as a reason for it, Walt Disney was not merely a creative daydreamer who just had few good ideas. He was a realist and the harshest critic of his own ideas, and that made his creations into a global success. So in the end, I would just like to tell you that Walt Disney was a wonderful creative artist because he had a vision that he focused on. He set out to develop an amusement attraction that both you and me could enjoy. So that's all about the cue card, and the next coming up are follow-ups. The first follow-up is, do you think you are a creative person? Yes, indeed, I think I'm a creative person. Because if you look at my Instagram, it's filled with a lot of creative pencil sketches that I usually made during my free time. I adapt things that are happening around me and portray them through an art. So second is it good for children to learn arts? Yes, obviously it is best for the children to learn arts early in their lives. Because I believe that a strong foundation in art not only boosts a child's creativity but also makes them emotionally expressive, breaks the monotony of heart of academic studies. Also, art engages the visual part of brain in a way that is very difficult than any other subject. The third is, what kind of jobs require people to be creative? I think almost every job requires creativity in one way or the other. Like for instance, an engineer needs to develop a new way of doing things. The music composer, they need to use imagination to create beautiful melodies, symphonies. And a social media manager needs to write creative content to engage with the audience. And a teacher has to bring up innovative ideas to instruct students. So all these professions required a bit of creativity in their professional pursuits. And the last one is, do you think leaders need to have creative ability? Absolutely, I think leaders need to be creative. Because if they do what others are doing, they would soon lose their popularity. But if they add creativity into their slogans, banners, and make them interesting, eye-grabbing, they will certainly gain traction, which will definitely help them in the political ground. And that's all about the keycard for now. If you have any doubts or queries regarding vocabulary, the sentence structures, or anything randomly about IELTS speaking, just please feel free to ask in the comment section below. So thank you very much. See you soon. Stay safe.